He will go and remind the government.
La penlong ia ka Jingialang ia merjingmut hinin kasni hak yang nangba Government College Auditorium jawai bala penyai da State Education Commissioner Professor SM Sungo ringkat bat ki advisor Professor David Reid Emle bat utoni TC Marak. Kani ka Jingialang kala lumlang ia ki principal jong ki school ka higher secondary school bat ia ki college jong ka East bat West Giant Hills District banyak ren halor bun ki Jinge ki ba lakendu hakini ki Jakapuli. Ha kani ka Jingialang u chairperson Professor Sungo ulapan pau ba ka jing temu jong u kalong ban bishar ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka baya dai bat ka puli puthi ka bamenta ha ka district bat banlum ya ki jingtip ki banyarap ya ka commission ban ai jingmut syaka sarkar.
This purpose is to find out and assess the situation that we are having here in the state of Meghalaya with respect to education. So I'm sure your presentation and the status that you're going to present to us will be beneficial for us in putting up our recommendations to the government of Meghalaya with regards to the implementation of the new program which relates to the NEP 2020. But I'm sure these challenges can be solved and maybe through the deliberations and the discussions that we're going to have.